Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're creating simple, reliable forms in Notion. If you're new to the app, don't worry. This walkthrough keeps everything clear and practical. We'll cover two straightforward ways to build forms, then finish with a few tidy touches for styling and sharing, so your form looks polished and is easy for people to use. Let's start with building a form from scratch. You can do this on a brand new page or right inside a page you already have open. On any page, type the / command, then type form. When the menu appears, choose the form option. This instantly places a basic form on your page, ready to be customized. Give your form a clear title and a short description so people understand its purpose at a glance. A good title sets expectations, and a plain language description tells responders what you want from them. Next, look at the default question fields that appear. Click into each one to tailor it to your needs. You can change the question type to match the kind of response you want, like plain text for open-ended answers, multiple choice when you want to limit options, date for scheduling and timelines, or an email field when you need a valid address. Matching the right field type to your question makes the form easier to complete and reduces confusion. If an answer is essential, toggle on Required so the form can't be submitted without it. Use Required thoughtfully. It helps you collect complete data, but too many mandatory fields can cause people to drop off. Keep your questions clear and concise, and make sure each one earns its place on the page. If you're already using a Notion database and want responses to land directly there, you can turn that database into a form view. Go to the database where you want to collect responses. At the top of the database, find your View tabs. Click the plus icon, or open the drop-down arrow next to your existing views. From the menu, choose Form. You'll then select the database properties, the columns you want to include as questions. Each property you pick becomes a question on the form, and when someone submits a response, it creates a new entry in the database with those fields filled in. This is ideal for tracking submissions in one place, whether you're gathering requests, collecting feedback, or logging simple registrations. Choose only the properties you truly need so the form stays lean and easy to complete, and name your properties clearly so they read well as questions. With your form set up, let's make it look clean and on brand. You can add an icon for a quick visual cue and set a cover image if you want a little personality at the top of the page. Both help people recognize the form's purpose at a glance. You can also customize the color and the text of the Submit button. A well-labeled button reduces hesitation, and a color that contrasts with the background makes it easy to spot. Keep labels action-oriented and unambiguous so people feel confident clicking through. When you're ready to share the form, look to the top right of your Notion page and click Share. Choose your access level. You can share it with your workspace if it's internal, or make it public if you need external responses. Copy the shareable link and send it wherever you need: email, chat, or your website. You can also embed the form on an external site so people can complete it without leaving the page they're on. Respondents don't need a Notion account to fill it out, which keeps the process smooth and open. If you're sharing publicly, remember to ask only for what you actually need and avoid collecting sensitive information. Clear expectations help respondents feel comfortable and keep your data clean. A quick recap to keep your flow efficient. To create a form from scratch, use the / command on any page, pick form, set a title and description, then adjust your question types and mark required fields where it matters. To add a form to an existing database, open the database, create a new view from the tabs at the top, choose Form, and select the properties that should appear as questions. Then, bring it all together with simple styling and a confident Submit button, and share it by setting access from the Share menu, copying the link, or embedding it on your site. That's all you need for a clean, functional Notion form that people can complete quickly and accurately. If this walkthrough helped you learn something new or just saved you a bit of time, tapping the like button is a small action that makes a big difference in helping others find this guide. And we're always working to improve. Drop a note in the comments with what worked well for you or what you'd like to see us cover next. We read every single message, and your feedback directly shapes what we build. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating your forms in Notion.